Hey everybody, Ben here. I don't introduce myself enough. I've discovered that most people introduce themselves when they got on and start their videos, but it probably won't happen too often with me still. Anyways, I want to do a video of reinstalling the loader back onto my tractor on this M6060. Had it off for a few days. Got the tractor cleaned up good and stuff. I'm probably gonna take the loader back off, maybe. I might not, I don't know. One day to change oil and stuff. I hope to get it while that I already had it off. But I got a few things I'm wanting to do with it, so I'm gonna put it back on there for now. I'm gonna go up to school tomorrow. We're off on Wednesdays. As far as students coming, we have to work as teachers, and the bus drivers has to do maintenance work. So we've been mowing and weed eating, and there's a big area up there that they're wanting weed eated. It's kind of rough and steep. They don't keep mowed. So I think I'm gonna take my tractor and cheat a little bit and do some bush hogging on it instead of weed eating. I've done it before, which they've hired me to do it then. And got a little bit of work to do at their hoop house they're putting in for the ag department. Spread some manure and do a little bit of stuff there. So that'll probably be in a future video y'all can look forward to, or not look forward to, whatever you want to do. But I hadn't planned on getting into all that, but let's get this see if we can get this loader hooked back up. I don't do this much. I'll set you down here. Zoe will take good care of you. Yeah, she'll take care of you. Won't you kick it? There's different ways to do that. I went ahead and lined it up fairly close, and then I'll hook my hoses up. You could park back a little farther back, give yourself more room to couple your hoses. Just kind of whatever you prefer to do. I'm gonna hook my bottom ones first. Making sure that I hook them correctly. I cleaned all these out real good yesterday with some carb cleaner, sprayed them. Well, I believe that's connected. I'm just gonna stand right here, roll my bucket forward. In there. But I'm not lining up right. Let's see what the other side looks like. side went. get on here and see what happens. That other hole will line up real easy, but this one, see, it's raised up. And no matter which direction I move it, it won't let it line up. And right here's probably my problem. Just found it. Let me show you. Take this other pin out, and I'll show you. Pretty sure this is my problem. Look here. Master flat. That was setting up in that saddle. It was sitting right in there. I didn't notice it. Now let's try it. Well, look at there. Now there's just something you actually learn from my channel. Make sure your dust covers are not down in the saddle on your loader when you're putting it on. Now, don't tell me this side ain't gonna line up. Oh, that was a good one, wasn't it? We got it though. We got it. About pulling my hair out. Couldn't figure it out. Couldn't figure out why it wasn't sitting down in there. Never thought about that being there. I'll know in the future. And so will you all. You let me make the mistake for you. We got it though. That's what matters. A little bit aggravating. No need in blowing a gasket, as Clayton would tell me. Y'all don't think I'd blow a gasket, do you? It used to happen a lot. Tried to quit that. I got these hoses, what I run back here to my rear remotes to use on my grapple. But if y'all will, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.